Very well done, W. Very well done, management. Thank you so much. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. And we are on the road again. That makes it 2 weekends in a row that we're doing hotel reviews. Super excited. And today we are at the W Hong Kong. W is considered one of the swankiest brand under the Marriott portfolio. It always has this nightclubby feel to it. Those of you who've been to a W, you definitely know what I'm talking about. For the ones who haven't been to a W, you guys are probably missing out. And today we have such a treat because we basically got a double upgrade. So I purchased the lowest level room, which is the wonderful room, and they upgraded me to a fabulous room, which is where we are right now. But as I was checking in, I asked if they have a suite available, and they told me that there is actually a fantastic suite, except that I need to wait until 6 p.m. and I agreed to it. I will tell you how to increase the likelihood of getting this kind of upgrade at the end of the video, so keep watching to find out. So we got a double upgrade. We get to check out this fabulous room, and later on I get to show you guys the fantastic suite, which is gonna be awesome, I think. So let's take a look at this fabulous room first. So they name their rooms differently. So the lowest one is called a wonderful room, and then another level is the spectacular room, and then the level above that is the fabulous room, and this is where we are. And let's take a look at the view first. This is a city view. Looking inside, there's a bunch of restaurants out there. Those are not hotels, those are actually residential buildings, and they have a really nice view. I'm not gonna go into the details of this room because we are getting a better room later. So I'll show you guys the details in the other rooms, but we have the complimentary water, which is standard here in Asia. And over here we have the charging station, the alarm clock. Look how cool this is. Very cool. I have to figure this out. Got the phone, all the buttons, the plugs. So really fast, you can see that this is definitely a newer hotel compared to the JW Marriott that we stayed at last time. Big difference. I mean, service is really good. Check-in was really nice. I got an extra upgrade thanks to Sammy, who took care of me at check-in. So thank you very much, W Hong Kong, and thank you very much, Sammy, for hooking us up with this fabulous room, and then the fantastic suite. And we have a rain shower, and it is clean. So if you haven't seen my JW Marriott review yet, click on the link down below, go check it out. Didn't have the best experience there. I totally forgot to show you guys the mini bar, but look at this. I just found out that there's some hidden stuff in here. You know, granted, you have to pay for it. For those of you who watch our Conrad video, we know that at Conrad, they give out these Conrad bears as a souvenir. But over here at W, please do not take these unless you guys want to pay for it. Just a reminder, now's the perfect time to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Alright guys, so I want to talk about an unfortunate breakfast situation for tomorrow. So I just found out that you had to make reservations for the breakfast, and there are different time slot just because it's COVID-19, and every different hotel have their own ways of dealing with crowds. And the 2 time slot that's most popular 8 a.m. to 9:15 and 9:15 to 10:30 has already been booked up before I got here. So I'm stuck with 6 o'clock basically. I spoke to the lady at the breakfast, and hopefully she said I can come a little early and see if I can get in, but there's no guarantee, so I'll let you guys know what happened tomorrow. Alright, enough bad news. Let's go check out the suite. But on the way there, the styling of the elevator area and the hallway really caught my eyes. It's got this library feel to it with a lot of bookcases and books. And you can tell the designer really put a lot of thoughts into it. I mean, the attention to detail is next to none. To be honest, it blends everything so well together that I couldn't even find the elevator button for a good 30 seconds. In front of every room, the doorbell and room number are shown on this open book with a blank page next to it. It's almost saying that every room has its own story and it's waiting for us. Alright guys, so we are at the fantastic suite. It's past 6, they kept their words, they upgraded me to the fantastic suite. So let's now take a look. So this is the entrance here, and once you come in, there's actually an opening that goes into the bathroom, which we'll check it out later because you can see that door actually leads to the bedroom. But let's check out the living room because this is a suite. Got a big old mirror here. I got nice wallpaper. You know, really like the decoration. A lot better than JW, in my opinion. This is the living room. This is quite large. I believe on the website this is about 800 square feet. The entire suite, not just the living room. So we got ocean view here. This is looking onto part of South China Sea. And as you can see, there's a lot of container ships here, actually. Onto the desk. Over here, we got stuff for COVID, masks, wipes, hand sanitizer. It's quite standard now. Sad. COVID really threw a major wrench in everyone's travel plan, I feel like. So we got a lot of plugs to hook onto the TV. We got, let's see, HDMI and all the other plugs. Here are the light switches. Again, if you saw my last review of the JW Marriott, I talked about how I basically looked at the switches and tried to see how dated the room, and this room looks really nice, and from the switches, it looks pretty damn new. Just saying. We're also on the 38th floor, which is the highest floor for the W Hong Kong. From 38, so from 39 to I think 70, it's something else. It's either office building or another hotel property actually. So we have complimentary water here, more plugs to charge your phone. That's always nice. Yeah, so nice big king size bed, and let's check out the walk-in closet. You know, it's almost very difficult to find a walk-in closet in Hong Kong, just because everything's so tight here. So we got the safe. Let's take a look. Very nice. Slippers, and what's this? Steamer. Oh, that's nice. That's the first. And we got shoe shining stuff. We got what's this? This is $70. You need to pay for this. A tote. Okay, so it's like a bag. We got these sticky roller thing. Might come in handy. Yoga mat. That's good if you guys are doing yoga. So that might be something that is a plus for you. And let's go into the bathroom. Let's take a look here. Very spacious, very good. Check out these faucets. That's really nice. Oh, and they move. Nice. More water, except that this one costs $85. So make sure you don't drink the tall one. These ones are, this one, it's on them. So those are free. Don't get tricked. Don't pay for water when you don't have to. There's a tip. Soap and let's see, body cream. What's this one? Face wash. Hey, that's nice. That's new. Oh, oops. You don't see face wash every day as amenities at hotels. So, good job, W. These are very cool looking nail kit, shaving kit. So, yeah. So we have rain shower here, and if you guys must know, here is the toilet and a nice backsplash just for style. So that's how they do it here at the W, I guess. One downside though, I know I usually do pros and cons at the end of the video, but one downside of this property is they don't have a lounge. They don't have a club lounge, but they did give me some vouchers for the bar. So I'm probably gonna go down to the bar and use those vouchers now. Right next to the lobby is the Woo Bar, which is where I use my voucher for a nice pre-dinner drink. The gym, or what the W calls it, the Fit, is open 24 hours for all hotel guests and also has a very, very amazing view of the Victoria Harbor. The outdoor pool, or what they call the Wet, is located on the 76th floor. While it does have an ocean view, it was also very windy the day I was there. It was also very crowded, given that we're still in a pandemic. Hey guys, so actually I was able to get into the breakfast room. I got here a little early at 7:30, and they basically gave me a table right away. And the nice thing is they told me that I can actually stay for the entire session until 9:15. So very well done, W. Very well done, management. Breakfast. It was amazing. From the well-lit dining room to the dark furnitures, whimsical decoration at the serving station, everything worked so well together. It was just perfect. It even has an automatic pancake maker, which I've never seen before. Oh yeah, and the food was very delicious. That morning that I was there, Hong Kong government issued a black rainstorm warning, which requires everyone to take shelter. But luckily, at the breakfast here at the W, I'm already in good hands. All right, guys, so there you have it. The W Hong Kong. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. I really want to know. Also, like I said, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really, really helps a lot. Thank you. So overall, I really enjoy my stay. A lot better than the last week's stay at JW. I mean, it's much cleaner here. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please watch my JW Marriott video. Anyways, compared to the Conrad, compared to the JW Marriott, I like the look, the decoration, the styling of the W Hong Kong the best. The W Hong Kong, it's a lot nicer on the eyes. So I feel like they really do their best to try to please their guests. So the thing with the upgrade, the thing with the breakfast, they all came through actually. And also they gave me the late checkout until 4 p.m. But because I wanted to upgrade to the nice suite room, they told me that I have to return the suite earlier than 4 p.m. But rest assured, they'll give me just a regular room so I can stay until 4 p.m. So I feel like that's a tip that you guys should follow. You can always let them know, hey, I'm okay if you let me check in a little later or give me into my suite room a little later. Tell them that it's okay. You want to stay in a smaller room just to rest first and then switch rooms later. And also on the day that you are leaving, you can also tell them that, oh, it's okay, I can give you the room back to you guys so you guys can flip it for the next guest while I just go to a smaller room. So I think that's a good tip to follow. The rooms are really spacious. The location is actually really good here, and the service is mostly friendly. Okay, the cons. So one of the big knock on this hotel is there's no executive lounge. So yeah, other than that, everything's great. I love this hotel. I really enjoy the stay here, and I'll definitely will come back to stay here at the W Hong Kong. I really enjoyed my time. So again, please like and subscribe. If you like what you see in the video, leave a comment below, ask me questions. If you have questions on how to get elite status, I can answer some questions about that too. If you want like a video on how to, kind of go through the loyalty program, I can make that. But you have to let me know. You have to comment down below so I'll know what you guys want. So again, thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you next time. Bye.